Need to port your number or verify your Simple Mobile account? Here's exactly how to find your account number and PIN using the most reliable methods available. Your Simple Mobile account number is typically 12 to 15 digits long. This unique identifier is essential for porting your number to another carrier or verifying your account with customer service. Your account number can be found in 5 key locations. The online account portal is your most reliable source, available 24/7. Your monthly billing statements show it prominently on the first page. The Simple Mobile app displays your account number in the Account Settings section. You can also call customer service at 611 or the toll-free number. Finally, check your original welcome kit from when you first activated service. Here's an example billing statement. Your account number appears prominently on the first page, usually near the top and clearly labeled. Look for a 12 to 15-digit number that identifies your specific account. Your PIN is a 4 to 6-digit security code. Simple Mobile prefers you use a customer-set PIN that you create during account setup or modify later for better security. If you haven't set a custom PIN, the default is often the last 4 digits of your Social Security number or zip code. You can also request a temporary PIN from customer service or set up a security PIN for extra protection. For quick reference, remember that customer service is available at 611 or the toll-free number. Your online portal provides the most reliable 24/7 access to your account information. Always keep your account number and PIN secure. Never share this information with unauthorized parties, as it can be used to make changes to your account or port your number without permission. When you're ready to switch carriers, Simple Mobile has specific requirements and security measures in place to protect your account during the port-out process. Your new carrier will need 5 key pieces of information to complete the port. First, your current phone number. Second, your Simple Mobile account number, which is typically 12 to 15 digits long. Third, your PIN or passcode. Fourth, the account holder name must match exactly. And fifth, the billing address on file with Simple Mobile. Simple Mobile has implemented enhanced security measures to protect against unauthorized transfers. These include additional identity verification steps specifically designed to combat SIM swapping fraud, where criminals attempt to steal your phone number to access your accounts. The port-out process follows 5 clear steps. First, verify your number is portable. Second, contact your new carrier and provide the required information. Third, complete the number transfer request form. Fourth, your new carrier sends authorization to Simple Mobile. Finally, wait for completion, which typically takes 2 to 4 hours. Industry-wide improvements have significantly reduced port completion times. Most transfers now complete within 2 to 4 hours, with Simple Mobile maintaining a 94% success rate. The average processing time is just 3.2 hours for standard residential ports. If you've forgotten your PIN, don't worry. Simple Mobile customer service can verify your identity through alternative methods. You can use your Social Security number, account history, payment information, or call customer service at 611 or 1-877-878-7908. Before initiating your port, make sure all your account information is up to date. Mismatched information between what you provide and what's on file with Simple Mobile can cause delays. If updates are needed, you may face a 24 to 48-hour waiting period before the port can proceed. Simple Mobile complies with all FCC requirements, including STIR/SHAKEN caller ID authentication. They provide enhanced customer notification systems that alert you when port-out requests are initiated. These multi-step verification processes help protect against fraud while maintaining efficient processing times of typically 2 to 4 hours for most transfers.